Hey there, this is Erik Spitznagel with the DentFix booth at SEMA 2019. We're actually at 11069, so if you're still around, come by and visit us here. It's an exciting show to be at and to see all our fellow people in the automotive industry. It really pumps everyone up. And here at DentFix, we really focus on the collision repair industry. We're a company that's celebrating its 40th year, started in 1979 by my father with one tool, the original stud welder or pin welder on the US market. And since that time, we have added hundreds of pieces of equipment. We specialize in repairing steel, aluminum, plastic, and measuring systems, anything that has to do with the body shop. So in front of me here, I have a couple of pieces of equipment from our aluminum repair station here, which is capacitor discharge welding studs onto the aluminum panels for pulling on dents. This is one of our newer pieces of equipment. It's a heated nitrogen welder that heats nitrogen gas so that you can melt plastic into bumpers and repair them that way, but without burning and charring, because you're preventing the oxygen from allowing that to happen. And this is a tool that we introduced in 1999. It's our Maxi unit. Sort of like our original stud welder where you weld pins, but here you weld a rod to the car body and pull off of that. With today's thinner sheet metal vehicles, it's more important to have that light touch and maximize your pulling ability with this Maxi, with its leverage pullers, bare claws. You can still weld pins if you like. So DentFix has a wide range of equipment, from a $25 ring hammer to well over $12,000 aluminum repair stations. But we've got something for everyone, from the technician to the painter to the shop owner. DentFix equipment here is at SEMA 2019. We're going to be here back and see it at 2020. So if you didn't see us this year, come out again next year and see what's new.